LangChain Community Vector Stores LaunchDB Import LaunchDB. This is a description of LangChain Community Vector Stores LaunchDB Import LaunchDB. It explains the purpose, components, architecture, role, advantages, and challenges associated with this feature. Detailed definition of the variable goes here. Components. Component 1. LangChain is an open-source framework that enables developers to build and deploy applications. Powered by large language models (LLMs), it provides a unified interface for interacting with LLMs, along with tools and components for building various LLM-powered applications. Component 2. Vector stores are databases that store and retrieve data based on semantic similarity. They are commonly used in applications that involve natural language understanding, search, and recommendation. Vector stores represent data points as vectors in a high-dimensional space, where similar data points are close to each other. Component 3. LaunchDB is an open-source, high-performance database optimized for storing and querying large datasets of vector embeddings. It is built on Apache Arrow and uses a columnar storage format for efficient data retrieval. LaunchDB is particularly well suited for applications that require fast search and retrieval of similar vectors, such as recommendation systems and search engines. Component 4. Import LaunchDB is a method used to load data from a LaunchDB file into a vector store. It provides a convenient way to leverage the performance and scalability of LaunchDB for storing and retrieving vector embeddings. Architecture. Description of the architecture supporting the variable. Role. Explanation of the variable's role in the system. Advantages. Advantage 1. Efficient data loading. LaunchDB's columnar storage format and optimized query engine allow for fast data retrieval, making it efficient to load large datasets into a vector store. Advantage 2. Supports large datasets. LaunchDB is designed to handle large datasets, making it suitable for applications that require storing and retrieving large amounts of vector data. Challenges. Challenge 1. Requires LaunchDB installation. To use Import LaunchDB, you need to have LaunchDB installed and configured on your system. Challenge 2. Limited to LaunchDB data format. Import LaunchDB is specifically designed for loading data from LaunchDB files, limiting its applicability to other data formats. Challenge 3. Potential performance issues for large datasets. While LaunchDB is designed for large datasets, performance can be impacted by factors such as the size and complexity of the data, as well as the hardware resources available.